Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 Platinum Hybrid, star white metallic paint with a black interior. Under the hood you have a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes having heated and cooling massaging seats, power sunroof, wireless charging, parking assist, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that black finish on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks, as well as having memory settings. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have some interior and exterior lighting controls, electronic parking brake, power adjustable pedals here as well. You have the black bucket seats with the brown etching and the platinum badge at the top of the seat. Power controls with lumbar support on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, as well as your lane keep assist here. The right-hand side has your directional controls for the screen in front of you, which has plenty of information and vehicle maintenance screens that you can scroll through. Several different options here, as you can see there, depending on your preference. The entertainment display has your audio. This will be AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, navigation, of course your phone list. If you're connected, all of the different apps for the vehicle and the display itself, and including the settings. Your features button here will pull up all of the different features that you can turn on and off. On the right hand side of the screen here, you can see the map. You can actually change these to several different displays depending on what you prefer, including your eco behavior, off-road, zone lighting. You can see a few others here as well. Below the screen you'll find your dual zone climate control. This has your temperature gauge, fan speed, and air conditioning controls, your heated and cooling seats with your heated steering wheel. To the left you'll find your trailer brake controller and several different driving modes. On the right you'll find a couple of different outlets. At the front you have a storage compartment as well as a few outlets and your wireless charging pad. Storage compartment in front of the shifter and dual cup holder to the right of the shifter. You can open up the center console, giving you plenty more storage space inside. You can also open this the other way, giving you a flat surface here if you have any use for that there. Up top you have the rear view mirror, of course. You also have the power controls for your sunroof and rear sliding window located above you, sunglasses holder tucked at the front. And in front of the passenger you have a storage compartment above the glove box, so there's some storage space in the front if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that star white metallic paint, the Ford logo in the center of the grille, chrome accents along the bottom of the front bumper with the chrome front recovery hooks, aluminum wheels with Ford center caps, paint matched mirror caps with your blind spot indicator at the front, black door handles with keyless entry, and at the back you have the platinum etching into the tailgate. You can see that right across the back. The automatic tailgate, the power tailgate, you can press the button, it'll open automatically on its own. Plenty of storage space in the back. You have cargo tie-down locations, LED lamps as well. And when you're all done, you can press that same button and that will automatically close the tailgate for you. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have that same black coloring that you had in the front, magazine holders on the backs of the seats. The black leather seating here as well with the platinum badging at the top of the seat. The center will fold down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You can lift the seats, locking them into place, giving you way more storage space in the back. You have the handle here to pull the seat back down. On the back of the center console, you have your 2 cup holders, a few outlets, and the rear heated seat controls. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 Platinum Hybrid. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.